SAITAMA have2 essentially has been worthless for a long time. The AMA basically is currently worth $0. In a kind of big way, the price of SAITAMA basically has dropped by 0.62 in the last 24 hours, and the intraday value of SAITAMA basically is still at 11,877.90, which is a really big number on May 23, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the SAITAMA V2 cost examination for now or for a week from now. We'll try to answer these questions in a way that makes sense and explain some things. What really counts is the short-term price prediction for SAITAMA V2. Most of the time, this is SAITAMA away speculation, or so they thought when they bought in bulk. SAITAMA V2 support and resistance levels, etc., which is very important, but before getting too deep into the SAITAMA technical analysis, let's talk about the economy in a simple way. Market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total digital money market to $1.120.95.61.7. Most people thought that the total trading volume remained at $29.326.280.73. Bitcoin has 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, or so they thought. This led to Bitcoin's price rising to $26,820.38, which is a 2% increase. In the past 24 hours, the price of Ethereum has gone up by 1.27%, making it worth $1,793.04. This is a big change. In the same time period, the price of BNB went up by 1.44%, making it worth $309.58. This is also a big change. The price of XRP, a local currency, has gone up by 0.53% and is now worth 43 cents. Coco's BCX went down in value by 0.77%, showing that on May 23, 2023, it was worth 60 cents. In this video, we'll walk you through the SAITAMA V2 cost examination for now or for a week from now. We'll also try to answer the questions that are usually the most important ones. What is a SEN's short-term price prediction for SAITAMA V2? It's SAITAMA for the most part, which is a really big venture. These events show that the market is going in a very downward direction at the moment, with the price of Ethereum going up by 1.27% to $1,793.04. Bitcoin has 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%. This is despite the fact that most people think that a block is a significant technical indicator used to find key price levels where the trend can change. Pretty further look at how support and resistance are important technical markers used to find key price levels where the trend can go in a different direction, which is very important. Support is a level where buyers become more active and try to stop the price from going down any further, or so they thought. Opposition is a level where sellers become more active and try to stop the price from going up any further. These events show that the market is going down and has been for a while. Showing that the price of digital currencies like Ethereum has gone up by 1.27% to $1,793.04 in the last 24 hours, they thought that the following are the amounts of support and opposition for SAITAMA V2. SAITAMA V2 performance in every way that counts. SAITAMA has been going down, losing 0.62% in the last 24 hours in a quiet way. This means that the real value of SAITAMA V2 is currently floating at $0. The trading volume of $1,187,790 in the same time period, So the total trading volume stays at 29,326,283,773 USD in a kind of significant way by and large market cap for SAITAMA in every practical sense as 71,947,243 USD while the coin price changes 8.06% per week. So XRP is a type of local coin. The total amount of money traded still stands at $29,326,283, which is a huge amount. SAITAMA 2 price check. SAITAMA price check for May 23, 2023, is shown below. It shows that the current price of SAITAMA F2 is $0. The trading volume was 11,878.90 USD in the same time period, so the overall trading volume was still 29,326,280,073 US dollars. In a big way, we use the relative strength index moving average and difference. Backing levels. The price of SAITAMA F2 has dropped by 0.62% in the last 24 hours, which is a big deal. This is because the price of SAITAMA F2 is based on moving averages over different time periods, such as really easy moving, really normal, and dramatic moving sort of normal. The MACD line is still below the main signal line after a hybrid look at how different digital currencies like Ethereum have changed over the past 24 hours. This is very important. SAITAMA has two financial backers who need to wait for a change in direction on the daily line. Here are the levels of support and resistance for the SAITAMA F2 performance. SAITAMA sort of has lost 0.62% in the last 24 hours, which is a big deal. At the same time, SAITAMA Williams %R marker is at 68.196 for the last 14 days, which shows a neutral exchange signal as much as possible at this point, or so they thought. The overall strength file for SAITAMA coin sort of is currently drifting at 28 for the last 14 days, which is about average. The price of Bitcoin is $26,842.32, down minus 0.83% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin fell in the opposite direction, from $27,400 the day before to $26,700. Edil Patel, co-founder and CEO of Mudrex, said that the drop could be tied to the ongoing debt ceiling talks in Washington, D.C. and changes in regulations. The worth of even some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies was going down. Both Solana and Cardano dropped by almost 2%. All of the values of Ethereum, BNB, Polkadot, and Litecoin went down. At the moment, the total volume of DeFi is 2.02 billion, which is 6.4% of the total 24-hour volume of